Hi YouTube, Edward Tyndall here, and I have an awesome unboxing for you guys. Absolutely amazing unboxing. As y'all can see, I've covered up because addresses don't need to be given out on everybody. This is a box from inside the state of Alabama, and I strongly suggest everyone, if you're going, there's going to be queen ants in here among some other things, so everyone who orders queen ants, do it responsibly. Don't order them outside of your state, because that's how invasive things happen, and it's not good for our ecosystem. I'm an ant keeper as well as many other things, and I've been looking for a certain species that I have not been able to get my hands on for some reason, so I found a local Alabamian who has the species I'm looking for, and they'll be in here. I hope everything's alive and well. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see what we got in here. Newspaper. What is this? Oh man, here's a glass. The big, what is this in here? A little bit of dirt in there. I'm not quite sure what that is, but thanks for the new tea glass. I have in here more newspaper. I'm going to leave this on the ground for right now. All in my way. This looks like a bag of wood mulch or something. This is something I don't know what it is, to be honest with you. It was a surprise, I guess. Wow, there's little, what the hell is that? Little pellets in there. Looks like some kind of poop. Let's see what's in there. Oh, nope, there's something alive in there. Maybe I shouldn't do this with my hands. Give me a second. If you're not sure of something, don't use these. Oh, wow. What the hell? Over. Okay. Let's see what that is. This is crazy. This is one of the biggest one of these I've ever seen. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I wonder if there's any more of these in here. Oh, yep. No way. Look at this. That's two. Yep, I guess them black things are the poop. I think that's all. Nope, there's another one. There's another one. These look like some kind of giant beetle larvae. They can take a long time to grow. I see what that is now. Okay, this is the stuff they eat, and then this is extra of the stuff they eat. Thank you so much, mystery shipper from Alabama. Wow, look at that. Look at the size of this thing. It is just vast. Big pinchers on there. You wouldn't want to get hit by that. Lovely. Lovely. So That's a new addition to the Tyndall family. It's got this little thing on here. That probably needs to be off of there so they got some ventilation. I'm gonna set this to the side real quick and do more research on those, as I'm not extremely familiar with beetles, but I do know some. I know that the larva turns into a beetle. Right, what do we have in here? Big styrofoam thing. Wow. Absolutely amazing. That is what I have been looking for. These are fire ant, imported fire ant queens. And 1, 2, 3. Some of these have eggs. 4, 5, 6 imported fire ant queens. I love this case too, it's awesome. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 Camponotus queens. Absolutely amazing. I've been searching for these for my son forever because he's wanted them, so I wasn't able to find any yet, and I know they're nuptial flights now, so, but I haven't found them, so I just traded some tarantulas for some ants, which is awesome. Let's see here. Look at the size of that beauty. If we can get this in focus or not. How big that ant is to my hand. Unbelievable. The Camponotus queen, she's absolutely gorgeous. I wish I could get a better view. These are all bred queens, so they're ready for babies. Okay, here we go. This one has removed, this one had wings, I guess, and it has removed its wings. They'll remove the wings after. Look at that. Not only has it removed the wings, it's holding an egg in its mouth. Oh, that is so cool. So I'm going to take these. These are a very patient species. You got to be very patient with these because it takes a long time. I'm going to leave them just how they are, and I will not be moving these until they have about 10 workers, and we'll be transferring them into a new type formicarium. As far as the fire ant queens go, I'm going to start doing some research myself on learning more about the fire ants, because they are definitely they're a hard to keep species in captivity because they escape so good, and they could totally wipe you out of house and home. They spread extremely fast. So my goal with the imported fire ants are to do some research, learn them better, and I am going to be doing lab research here in home for the extermination of them, actually, because my yard is full of them. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 test subjects that we're going to try to learn how to eradicate them in the most efficient way possible without killing everything with poisons and stuff. So after if I can come up with anything, because they're an invasive species anyway. They shouldn't even be here, and I've heard that they just they've got them in Australia now. That is not good. So everybody watching, if you like ants, I highly recommend Camponotus species. They're absolutely amazing and very rewarding to watch, and watch them grow. That's just a patience and waiting game. For fire ants, be very experienced when you're doing it, because they do have some awful stings, and everything on earth that runs into a fire ant bed soon after knows that they've stepped into trouble. So my goal here is to eliminate a lot of these, because like I said, they're invasive, and they're taking a toll on our native species. In my area I can't even find Camponotus, because I'm guessing the fire ants are competing with them, or over competing with them, or the fact that I might not be looking in the right spot or looking hard enough. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is an awesome unboxing. Thank you so much, mystery shipper. I appreciate it. I know my son greatly appreciates it. This is what I'm getting him for his birthday, because he absolutely loves these, and he kept a Camponotus colony going without a queen for 2 years, and he thought he had a queen, and so did I. That's on our other YouTube videos, but that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Peace, love, and happiness, and all that good shit. Like, subscribe to your friends, share my videos, watch my older videos while you wait for new ones, because you gotta admit, they're off the frickin' chain. Edward Tyndall and Camponotus ant Tyndalls, and fire ant Tyndalls out.